Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday afternoon, September 4th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. So, as we were discussing in the room today, who really won the day? Right? Bears are going to say the Bulls couldn't even get out of the lower distribution from yesterday. Remember, it was a triple distribution. The Bulls are going to say, well, you had a beautiful price spike late in the day and you did nothing with it as you barely took out yesterday's lows. Both camps have an argument. No doubt. The Bulls were weak, trying to take back. They took back one couple of sets of single prints in the SNQ, but couldn't get out of the upper distribution. And the Bears certainly couldn't get any traction below yesterday's low. However, in the bigger picture, the Bears are still ruling the daily right now. We are down on the daily. So, in that vein, the Bears are still in control. We still have this gap below us, which we got in again today in ES, barely. The overnight low is the monthly low right now, as is the overnight high in ES. In NQ, the overnight low also is in the monthly low is also in the overnight low and the high. I am going to treat ES as an inside day. They barely took out yesterday. So tomorrow, depending on which way we come out of it, whether it's above today's high or low, you go with it, monitor for continuation or lack of. Righty. Ended up just with an afternoon rally high in G. They're still down the daily. ES and NQ also have afternoon rally highs, but we also have 10 wide pointed controls. It was a good day. I missed one of my favorite trades, but it was still a good day. And just like it's been recently, the afternoon was very quiet for me. Only took trades in K period. So in A period, I actually took a short in ES when we got the overnight high against the base of the price probe, which paid. Paid me a couple of points. If I was a little more patient, would have paid me even more. In B period, I took the long in ES. Now remember, we took out A's low. We had a reversal bar. I didn't do anything down there, but I did take the long to take out A's high. So I did well on that one. I missed when C period opened. I couldn't. No excuse. I was like, this is a beautiful trade to get both the IB high and the overnight high. Absolutely missed it. Just didn't get it in time. But I did make some trades in C period on the ebb and flow longs. We did fail at a trend day up in both ES and in NQ. Okay, we had single prints that we took back. I was also long in D period in NQ against the single prints. So I did well on that. I took a short in E right before we took out D's low to fill the single prints. Just didn't look like they were going to hold, and they didn't. So I took the short. And then the only other trade I took, 2 trades in K. One to pop J's high to stop the one-time framing. And then when J pulled back, I took a long thinking it could possibly be the afternoon pullback. I got paid on it, but L took that out. And I don't use L period, just too late in the day for an afternoon pullback or rally high. So it was a good day. It would have been an awesome day because I absolutely would have had at least a 3-lot on to take out both the IB high and the overnight high. And this thing ripped really hard. So I'm very frustrated at myself for that. Destinations, again, I'm not sure if these are 100% right because I'm in bigger increments, but it looks like 65 is the high in ES. 10 wide at 53.75. And today's low of 15. However, I forgot to give you the rally high, 51.50. In SPY, I'm in ones here, so these are right. 554.53 is the high. All right, then you have the single print. The afternoon rally high is 553.09. 10 wide at 551.52. And today's low at 549.46. Now, SPY battled the 50-day moving average a bunch of times today. Let's see if we closed above or below it. So I'm just going to show you the daily. So the 20-day moving average closed at 550.59. So we did close above it. But I say this many times, and you've heard this. One day does not make a market. So I don't care if it closed above or below the 20 and the 50, which is fairly close also. It's not like it's a buy signal above it or a sell signal below it, right? Eventually, if you're a bull, you want to get away from them to the upside and vice versa if you're a bear. But not a big deal to me where we closed with them today. Volume, 45 million. We did 60 million yesterday. This is not long-term traders selling the market. Please remember that. Okay? So anyway, I hope you had a good day trading. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Come check us out at camelbacktrading.org. Enjoy your evening, and we will speak prior to the opening tomorrow.